In this video, you will learn how to order objects by their lengths, and also how to compare the lengths of two objects by using another object. So let's suppose we want to order these three objects from shortest to longest: a pair of scissors, a crayon, and a pen. First, let's arrange the objects so that they are all straight up and down, so that we can better compare how long each one is. Now we'll want to mark somewhere that will allow us to line the objects up along one side. So lining up the scissors, crayon, and pen along this line, we can see that the crayon is the shortest of the three objects. The scissors are the longest, and the pen is in between the length of the crayon and the length of the scissors. So the order of these objects will go crayon number 1, pen number 2, and scissors number 3. So now we know we want the crayon to be first, so let's switch the order of it and the scissors so that it is the first object. Now the pen should be second, so let's switch that with the scissors. Now we have our three objects arranged so that the shortest object, the crayon, is first. The pen is next because its length is between the length of the crayon and the length of the scissors. And finally, the scissors are last since they are the longest object. Now let's look at how to compare the lengths of two objects by using another object. How can we compare the lengths of these two flowers if we don't have a measuring device such as a ruler? We can use another object, our hand, for example. So we can see that the smaller flower is about the same length as the length of a hand, while the bigger flower is about 1, 2 hands put together. That tells us that the bigger flower is about the same length as 2 of the smaller flowers put together. In other words, we could say that the bigger flower is about twice as long as the smaller flower.